Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Falcon token. Now the Falcon token is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They're just about to sell out, and because this is a whitelist only pre-sale, they're trending number one and they're about 2 BNB away from selling out, so they're going to sell out any second now. Ticker symbol is FLN. But we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it now that the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, almost sold out. They're like 0.2 BNB away from selling out. 600 BNB hard cap for this pre-sale, so that's a lot of tokens here. They're doing very well. It was a whitelist only pre-sale. So far they've had 334 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. A lot of it, and they're sold out. So the pre-sale has been filled. It says Spacedex is a new decentralized spot and perpetual exchange that supports low swap fees within price impact trades. Our trading platform offers a unique multi-asset pool that earns liquidity providers fees from market making, swapping, and leverage trades. They have a full audit on here, so they were audited by Solid Proof, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. For socials, they have an Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, official webpage. So Falcon, like I said, is the name of the token. FLN is the ticker symbol. 18 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1.5 billion tokens. There is 940.8 million tokens for pre-sale. 410 million tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $279,187. And now that the pre-sale is over, if you want to get this token will be going over to PancakeSwap shortly for purchase. You'll be able to get it on PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be locked for 1,825 days. There is a free and quick light audit by BlockSeifu in the discussion section here on PinkSale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says the owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. The owner cannot set the max transaction amount. Owner cannot set blacklist. Owner cannot set fees. Owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract in token is not found. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 62.72% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 27.34% of the tokens go to liquidity, 7.93% of the tokens go to team, and then we got 2% of the tokens going to decentralized exchanges. So if you want to find more information about this token, head over to their official webpage, which is space-dex.io. It says Spacedex is a new decentralized spot and perpetual exchange that supports low swap fees with zero price impact trades. Our trading platform offers unique multi-asset pools that earns liquidity providers fees from market making, swapping, and leveraging trades. Our mission and vision, it says, since our inception, our mission has been to simplify investing and keep decentralized finance universally accessible and beneficial. We want people to turn to Spacedex for peace of mind when looking for investing and collecting rewards. We will be creating all the features from centralized exchanges with a more user-friendly interface tools, accessibilities, and an added layer of privacy. Users will be able to use Spacedex while still retaining privacy on transactions as well as keeping control over their funds. The goal is for us to be in the top 100 exchanges per volume over the next 12 months. They do have a full white paper that you could download on their webpage. You can also download a guide. It's like a how-to guide on how to work Spacedex. So they have so there is buy and sell taxes. Purchase tax is 0%. So if you're going to buy this token, you probably do not need to worry about slippage. So if you try to sell within the first 3 months, you're going to pay a 10% tax, it says. If you try to sell within the first 9 months, then it is a 7% tax, and anything after that is a 5% tax. So the longer you hodl your tokens, the lower the sell tax will be. So they're staking. So Falcon token offers great staking initiatives, which rewards those who hold onto it as their foremost security measure. You can stake your purchased Falcon tokens and earn BNB rewards. So it says 25% of the fees generated in our ecosystem from swaps and leverage trading are converted to BNB and then distributed among the stakers of the Falcon tokens. So they have a social here. It says, imagine being able to copy trade your favorite coins without leaving the exchange. All users will be able to share their trades directly with each other via social media channels like our Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Our new platform will offer contracts with performance verifications for traders. This means that non-experienced users can check out the trades of experienced ones and copy them if they want to. There's also a referral system, so it says users will be able to show their friends how much they love our platform with their referral link as a way of giving back. Every user who signs up through the referral links will get a percentage of the trading fees, and referrers can enjoy a handsome percentage of their trading fees. So they talk about adding liquidity with the possibility of earning $1 Falcon LP per each dollar deposited in any token supported on our liquidity vault. So it goes over how to do that. The Spacedex team has created a new vault to help serve liquidity swaps and leveraged positions. So the vault will initially support 4 tokens, namely, and it goes over a whole bunch of tokens on here like Binance, Bitcoin, BUSD, Wrapped Ethereum it's got on here. Yeah. And then they have different partners on here like PancakeSwap, Chainlink, Certic, PinkSale, etc. And yeah, just lot of information on here if you want to check it out. You can review their full white paper if you want to. Now, unfortunately, you missed the pre-sale. Oh, actually, I don't know if you missed the pre-sale, but if you did and you still want to get this token, you can get it on PancakeSwap now that the pre-sale is over. And yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.